Listen up. I'm going to cut straight to the chase. Right now, every single person using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney is making a critical mistake. They think they know how to talk to AI, but they are fundamentally wrong. And because of that one mistake, they are leaving a massive opportunity, an opportunity worth $200,000 a year, right on the table. I'm talking about the highest paid, most future-proof skill of the next decade. Today, I'm going to break down the exact strategy you need to stop talking to AI like a beginner and start commanding it like a six-figure professional. Let's go. First, let's talk about the mistake. When most people use AI, their prompt sounds something like this. Write me a marketing email for a new shoe brand. Or, draw a cool sci-fi picture. What happens? You get a generic, boring, average result. That average result is what separates the AI users from the AI earners. Average results don't solve million-dollar problems. And if you're only generating average output, your skills are not valuable to a modern company. The harsh truth is, if you're not getting specific, you're not getting paid. But there's a secret language to speak to AI, and mastering it unlocks salaries that are blowing past traditional tech roles. The secret skill is called prompt engineering. It's not about coding. It's about psychology, strategy, and language. It is literally training the AI to think and perform at an expert level. And here is the simple three-step formula that separates the best from the rest. Step 1. Define the role. Stop asking questions. Start hiring an expert. You must tell the AI exactly who it is. For example, act as a senior data analyst with 10 years of experience in the e-commerce sector. This instantly elevates the quality of the response. Step 2. State the goal and context. Clearly state the task, the problem it needs to solve, and the constraints. Example. Your goal is to forecast Q4 sales based on the attached spreadsheet, considering the recent interest rate hike. Be skeptical. Step 3. Specify the output format. Don't let it waffle. Tell it how you want the answer. Deliver the analysis as a 3-paragraph executive summary, followed by 5 actionable bullet points, written in a confident, formal tone. And this is the difference between a messy essay and a boardroom-ready memo. Look at the difference. The generic prompt gives you useless fluff. Our engineered prompt gives you a high-value, ready-to-use business strategy. This is the quality companies pay $250,000 for. This isn't theoretical. Right now, companies from Google to startup fintechs are paying top dollar for people who can engineer prompts to drive real business results. We're talking $150,000 to over $250,000 for senior roles. You don't need a computer science degree. You need this skill. If you want to future-proof your career, you need to master prompt engineering. Don't wait until AI replaces your job. Learn to control it. So, here is your one action item for today. Take the 3-step formula I just gave you and apply it to the next 5 prompts you write. Then, come back to this video and tell me how the quality changed in the comments below. If this video opened your eyes to the future of work, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to stop making that mistake, and subscribe so you don't miss the next step in becoming an AI earner. Thanks for watching.